Hi guys, we're here at Cablins. So this is the place. The owner of the Cablins, guys. Ang may-ari sa hacienda. Welcome to Cablins, sir. Kini. Sa, murong mag VIP. So let's try to go here. So what's nice, guys, is it's so quiet here. It's because it's not weekend and it's so also not holiday. But yes, this is the view here in Cablins Resort in the middle of the mountains. So, and this is their pool area. So I will show you more on this video. So it is just a small it's just a small property, and they maximize the area, so they build a resort here, and this is how it looks. And yes, this is the pool area, guys. And it also has a, actually it's my first time here, and I don't know if this is their accommodation, but probably yes. We call this here kubo, so it's a tiny house. So this area would be another pool. Wow, it's so nice here. And by the way, forgot to mention that this water is flowing and it's safe to drink for those who can. Yes, see, it's flowing everywhere. It's not treated in chlorine, so it's fresh water. You'll not get irritated. Look at them. And this is sea fresh plant.